So this video might come off a little different today than usual, but we try to video anything people ask us for, and here's a perfect example. This is a 2001 Ford F350, Super Duty, crew cab, long bed, 4x4 with a 7.3 Power Stroke turbo diesel. This truck came into us as a trade-in, and we had previously sold it to this company. It was a concrete company that used it. So it has been used. It has battle scars, but we have been using it. I think a lot of dealers try to pull that line saying, oh, I've been driving it and this and that. And of course, there's no way to really prove it, but in our case, when we say it, I can promise you we mean it. And the reason I'm doing this video is we had one customer that's been asking for a couple days for this video, and it's been off-site. We've been using it. We also have a commercial real estate division, and this was being used for some updating and some lawn maintenance, as you can see. So when I say we've been driving it, we have, and we've probably put 600 or 800 miles on this truck in the course of driving it. Now you can see the scratches, you can see the paint flakes here and there. You can see we haven't washed it because it's streaky. You can see a few imperfections, but I will say the truck runs out good. It shifts good. It is a 7.3 Power Stroke. It does look like somebody trapped a bear inside of it and closed the door. But she does fire up and run well. Don't miss a beat. Some nails, they are not included. I left it running, idling, because a customer had asked about leaks. It left one little drip about the size of your thumb after idling for about an hour and a half, because I honestly Oil pan looks good, not rusted like most. Bottoms of the doors are very solid. As far as the 7.3 goes, I would call this truck rust-free. It's not dirt-free, it's not scratch-free, and the price isn't free, but it is very rust-free. It does have an ABS light. Drops right into gear. Goes through the gears fine. Air condition actually blows cold. Shocking. Brakes stop good. So you can see the mileage and the date of when we serviced it. So we have been using it and have finally put it up for sale, as we have replaced it with another truck that we're using currently. We pulled a trailer with it, pulls fine. Overhead readout does not work, not too surprising, but the headliner is actually in okay shape. A few little stains. Run it up to speed here real quick. See from the RPMs, when it shifts, it shifts. Getting ready to go into lockup. There we go. 55 miles an hour, cruising down the road. No wobbles, no shakes, no issues. So, again, usually we're bragging about a lot of good things. This truck's got more bad things to brag about than good. But the mechanical ability, the safety ability, all are up to par. And again, we have used it, driven it, and at this point, we'd give it a clean bill of health mechanically. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 804 804-271-0030, or the website at any time, 804-357, www.davis4x4.com, davis4x4.com, or 804-271-0030.